Okay, we're at the main office of Vati. Actually, Vati is the parent company. What we're going to look at is the sister company, which is called Maguso. Maguso is the innovative part of industry because Vati is a very, very well-known brand in China, and it's all over China. So Maguso is the research and development and the new products coming through and a new brand. So it's in here somewhere. It's in here somewhere. So let's go and have a look into the main factory. Okay, I'm here in the showroom, and as you can see, there's some great products. This particular one is a dishwasher. Very reasonably priced dishwasher here in China we can purchase. These are just like a little oven, but over here they have bigger ovens, and over here they have ovens which are combined with a water system. They also have heating pads. The heating pads. Of course, we're in China, so rice cookers. These are predominantly for the Chinese market, which is basically you put your plates in and your knives and forks, and it keeps them hot, and it's for sanitary purposes. Whisks. These are for underneath your sink, so that it and gets rid of all the rubbish. But I do like these dishwashers. I haven't seen these in China before. They're also doing the sink system. Now I believe the sink system has a special unit inside.
It can become a pure sink.
Yes.
When you put it inside, you can wash the dish and keep it. It's closed. And you're done.
Okay, that was Vati, and their sister brand Maguso. Like I said, Maguso is more the research and development. They're looking for a distributor or a manufacturer in Europe to bring their products to Europe and to America. So right now they're number 3 in China for these sorts of appliances. So get in touch with me if you're interested, and I will put you in touch with the main boss, the big Lao Ban. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.